Welcome. Today we are going to show the turntable installation process. The turntable and thrust bearing must be installed properly to prevent premature failure. Let's go through the steps. Remove eye bolt from the crawler top plate if still installed raceways atop thrust bearing. Remove components from packaging marked turntable. Install bottom concentric raceways in TK-EVO top plate. Ensure thrust bearing assemblies have grease packed before installation. Install concentric thrust bearing assemblies on top of bottom raceway. Place the upper bearing concentric raceways atop the thrust bearing assemblies. Lower the turntable into the top seat, making sure all components are properly seated. And finally, check for smooth operation by rotating the turntable clockwise and counterclockwise. It is meant to be very smooth without any restrictions. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team at sales@hilmanrollers.com.
And remember, if it's heavy and you're moving it on concrete or track, Hilman has a solution for you. To explore Hilman's entire powered portfolio, please go to hilmanrollers.com or scan the QR codes below. Be sure to check out our social media content.